Running low on cables right when customers need them most? Finding a reliable charging cable wholesaler in California can feel like a gamble. That's where Rite Distribution LLC makes things easier. From lightning cables to everyday essentials, quality stays consistent across every order. No more worrying about faulty stock or unhappy customers returning products. Each cable is built to handle daily use without cutting corners. Bulk ordering becomes simple, smooth, and actually dependable. It's a smart, strategic choice for stores that want to keep shelves stocked and customers satisfied. Because good products don't just sell, they build trust. Explore RiteDistribution.com.